this is Jason. I'm here with a little inspector information today. Today, I am inspecting up on the roof of this house. So one of the things I noticed when I first get up here, you can see this roof is covered with leaves and debris. Definitely something you do not want on a roof ever. All these leaves and debris, they hold water, potentially cause damage. You've also got big branches up here. Good idea, just to make sure you keep your roof clean on a regular basis so that you don't have to worry about damage, don't have to worry about water soaking up in underneath anything, and just keeping it nice and clean and smooth so it lasts as long as possible. So, thanks for watching.